Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of Excel's another functions, SUMIF. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your Excel skills, this tutorial is for you. At first, let's understand what SUMIF does. Imagine you have a spreadsheet full of data, and you want to sum up values based on certain criteria. That's where SUMIF comes in handy. Let's dive right in and explore how to use SUMIF effectively. The syntax of SUMIF is quite simple. It takes three main arguments: range, criteria, and SUMRange. Range defines the range of cells that you want to evaluate. Criteria sets the condition that cells must meet to be included in the sum. SUMRange specifies the actual cells to sum up. Let's consider an example. Here's a data set of sales transactions, and we want to sum up the revenue where the product is Apple. Equals SUMIF, bracket open, select range, and type the criteria within double inverted comma and select SUMRange from C3 to C17. In this formula, A3 to A17 represents the range of products. Apple is the criteria we're looking for. Instead of typing Apple, you can give the cell reference F8. And C3, C17 is the range of revenue values we want to sum up. Additionally, absolute references are utilized with $signs. These ensure that the cell references remain fixed even if the formula is copied. This is how you can fix the range using the $signs. And just like that, we get the total revenue generated from the sales of apples. Using similar formulas, you can get total revenue of other product by simply copying the formula. SUMIF also allows the use of wildcards like asterisks and question marks to represent unknown characters in the criteria. Equals SUMIF, bracket open, select range comma, type A asterisks and select the SUMRange. This formula will sum up revenue for all products starting with the letter A. This flexibility allows you to customize your criteria based on specific patterns. What if you want to sum up values based on multiple criteria? SUMIFs comes to the rescue. SUMIFs works similarly to SUMIF, but allows for multiple criteria. Let's say we want to sum up revenue where the product is Apple and the quantity sold is greater than 5. Equals SUMIFs bracket open. Select SUMRange from C3 to C17, comma select criteria range from A3 to A17, comma give the criteria we are looking for, comma select criteria range which is quantity, from B3 to B17, comma and here we want the sum up revenue if the quantity is more than 5, so type greater than 5. Here, we're summing up revenue where the product is Apple and the quantity sold is greater than 5. And just like that, we get the total revenue from apples with a quantity sold greater than 5. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering the SUMIF function in Excel. Whether you're dealing with simple or complex data, SUMIF and SUMIFs can make your life a lot easier. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Happy Excelling!